Guys, Parallaxox here, and today I'm going to show you how to make a rotational conveyor so it'll change directions based when you hit the button. So first, you need to figure out which way you want it to go. So if we look at size, which you can't see, but if you move back and forth which direction you want to go, see which value changes, the X, Y, or Z. In my case, it's the X value. So go into your button that you want to put whatever. So put a script in there. After script, get rid of the print hello world. First, we're going to make a variable so we know which way it's going. Local way going equals 1. I'm just going to put a number. You could put it to whatever you want. Then part dot touched. Actually, not part. I keep thinking I have a variable. So instead, script dot parent dot touched. Then connect, then function, open bracket, close bracket, end. Okay. If way going equals 1, then equals 1. So if we just change that to another equal sign, equals 1, then first we're going to set way going to way going equals 0. And then script, actually it wouldn't be script dot parent because we're going, well, I mean you could game dot workspace dot conveyor dot velocity equals vector 3 dot new, and then whichever way you want it to go. Mine's on the x-axis, so why did I hit the minus sign instead of the 220 0 and 0? Then after that, else, so if it doesn't equal 1, so if it equals 0, way going equals 1, and then game dot workspace dot conveyor dot velocity equals vector 3 dot new -20 0 0. So also we need an end at the bottom because it didn't automatically put that in there. And since way going is going to be 1, first we're going to set it once outside the loop of the thing going negative on the negative x. So as you can see, when I touch this part, it's moving me in the left direction or that way. And then so when I flip around my screen, it would be moving me in the right direction. So when I touch this part right here, it should flip the direction of the conveyor belt. And I touched it, so now I should be moving left on the conveyor belt.